Minimalist home decor is about creating clean, serene, and functional spaces with a focus on simplicity. Here are 12 key points to help you design a chic, minimalist home that is both stylish and practical. Embrace neutral tones. Neutral colors like white, beige, gray, and soft pastels are the foundation of minimalist decor. These hues create a peaceful and calming environment, making rooms feel spacious and bright. They also provide a versatile backdrop for other elements in the room, allowing furniture, art, and decor pieces to stand out. By using neutral tones, you can create a timeless aesthetic that feels both modern and cozy, perfect for relaxation or hosting guests. Neutral shades promote balance and harmony, essential for a minimalist home that embraces both style and functionality. Declutter and simplify. Minimalism is all about decluttering and creating a clean, organized space. The first step is to reduce unnecessary items that don't serve a functional or emotional purpose. Focus on what you truly need, whether it's furniture, decor, or accessories. Each item should have a purpose, whether for utility or sentimental value. The result is a space where every element has meaning and the room feels open and breathable. A simplified space encourages peace of mind and mental clarity, and it makes maintaining your home much easier, giving you more time to enjoy the essentials. Invest in quality over quantity. Minimalism emphasizes the importance of quality over quantity. Instead of filling your home with numerous cheap items, choose fewer, well-crafted pieces that are durable and timeless. This might mean investing in solid wood furniture, premium fabrics, or handmade decor items that will last for years. High-quality pieces add sophistication and elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. Over time, they prove to be more cost-effective as they require less maintenance and replacement. This thoughtful approach not only keeps your home clean and stylish, but also supports a more sustainable and less wasteful lifestyle. Use simple, clean lines. When selecting furniture and decor for a minimalist home, aim for pieces with simple, clean lines and geometric shapes. Avoid overly decorative or ornate items, which can clutter a space visually. Instead, choose furniture with smooth surfaces, straight edges, and minimal detailing. These designs create a sense of order and calmness, reflecting the minimalist ethos. Simple furniture and accessories not only contribute to the visual appeal of the space, but also make the room feel more spacious and functional. By focusing on simplicity, your home will feel less chaotic and more peaceful. Functional furniture in minimalist home decor. Function is as important as aesthetics. Choose furniture that serves multiple purposes to maximize space and reduce clutter. For example, opt for sofas with built-in storage, coffee tables that double as desks, or a bed with drawers underneath. Multifunctional furniture not only saves space but also ensures that your home stays organized and efficient. Each piece should have a clear purpose and contribute to the overall functionality of the room. This approach helps you create a space that is both practical and stylish, without sacrificing comfort or design. Open floor plans are a hallmark of minimalist design, as they help create a sense of spaciousness and flow. By removing unnecessary walls and partitions, your home feels larger, brighter, and more connected.
For for entertaining, creating areas for relaxation.
The flexibility of an open floor plan also promotes better circulation of light and air throughout the home, making it feel more inviting. This approach to design enhances the minimalist aesthetic by focusing on simplicity, light, and openness, making each room feel expansive. Incorporate natural light. Natural light is a crucial element in minimalist home decor, as it enhances the sense of space and brings life to a room. Maximize the flow of sunlight by keeping windows unobstructed or using sheer curtains that allow light to filter through. Large windows, glass doors, and skylights help illuminate your home, creating a bright, airy atmosphere. Natural light also highlights the beauty of your furniture and decor while promoting a healthy, vibrant environment. Embracing sunlight is a key aspect of minimalist design, contributing to a feeling of openness and tranquility within your living space. Add statement pieces. While minimalist design focuses on simplicity, incorporating a statement piece can add character and personality to your space. Whether it's a bold piece of artwork, a striking light fixture, or an unusual piece of furniture, a statement item becomes the focal point of a room. The key is to select one or two items that stand out without overwhelming the space. These pieces should be carefully chosen to complement the overall design, contributing to the room's aesthetic while maintaining the minimalist balance. A statement piece adds intrigue and a personal touch to an otherwise simple space. Use natural materials. Natural materials like wood, stone, and linen are central to minimalist home decor, as they create a connection to nature and add warmth to the space. Wood can be used in furniture, flooring, or accent pieces, while stone adds texture to countertops or walls. Linen and cotton fabrics provide a soft, breathable feel for upholstery and bedding. These materials not only contribute to the aesthetic of the space, but also promote a sense of calm and tranquility. The organic textures of natural materials make the home feel grounded and harmonious, aligning perfectly with minimalist principles. Neutral but bold accessories. Accessories in a minimalist home should be carefully chosen to enhance the design without overwhelming the space. Opt for neutral but bold accessories, such as a sleek vase, a unique lamp, or a minimalist rug. These items should complement the room's color scheme and design elements, adding subtle interest without detracting from the simplicity of the space. Keep accessories to a minimum and focus on quality over quantity. Each piece should feel intentional and contribute to the overall aesthetic of the room, adding character and sophistication without creating clutter or distraction. Create a Zen-like atmosphere. A minimalist home often embraces principles of Zen design, which focuses on creating a peaceful, calming environment. To achieve a Zen-like atmosphere, keep your space free from visual clutter and emphasize simplicity and tranquility. Soft, neutral colors, natural materials, and minimal furniture contribute to a serene atmosphere. Add elements like indoor plants, water features, or soft lighting to promote relaxation and mindfulness. A Zen-inspired minimalist home serves as a sanctuary from the stresses of daily life, encouraging moments of calm and reflection. It becomes a retreat where you can unwind and recharge. Maintain a consistent theme to ensure your minimalist home feels cohesive and balanced. It's important to maintain a consistent design theme throughout. Whether you opt for modern, Scandinavian, or industrial minimalism, keep the color palette, furniture styles, and decor elements in harmony. A consistent theme ensures that your home feels well thought out, enhancing the sense of simplicity, elegance, and functionality that defines minimalist design. Conclusion: minimalist home decor offers a perfect blend of chic style and functionality, emphasizing simplicity, clean lines, and thoughtful design. By embracing neutral tones, decluttering spaces, and investing in high-quality pieces, you can transform your home into a peaceful sanctuary. The use of natural light, multifunctional furniture, and statement pieces all contribute to an environment that feels open and inviting. With these principles, you can create a harmonious living space that reflects both your taste and your need for functionality, resulting in a home that is not only beautiful, but also practical and serene. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment below to let us know your thoughts or any tips you have for minimalist home decor.